I received a gift. Yes, I have a box. And I'm going to unbox this box right here. Now, it's been sitting in the office for a little while, and the issue is that I have not had an opportunity to come into the office and open it. I didn't have my overhead rig set up. I wanted to do that. So let's do this. This is a gift from there's stickers. Okay. I've got there's stuff in here. This is from Boondocks Beard Company. Shout out to them. I want to. I've been wanting one of these. A pick comb. Yes, for the beard. This is all beard stuff. Oh, stickers. These are going onto the laptop. Absolutely awesome. Boondocks Beard Company stickers. Look at that. Our stickers. They go well together. Okay, a wooden comb. I gotta get used to doing this unboxing in front of the camera. So we have the pick comb. I don't know if this is a good sound ASMR-y or not. That feels good. I used to have a pick comb as a kid. I had a big fro. I always had a pick. My dad used a pick. I used a pick. And then the pick went away along with my hair. I don't know if that works out. That makes a lot of sense, but yeah. Okay. Comb. These are great to have. Where's the camera? There's the camera. Comb. Okay, we got Boondocks Beard Cabin Brew. I was just talking about the fact that I need to make some coffee here in the office. Okay, coffee's on the list of things to do. We got beard butter. We have some oils. Let's take this all out. Let's get rid of the box. This is cool green packing. I say green because it's recyclable. I like the recyclable aspect. All right. We've got beard cream, unscented and handcrafted. Where's the lens? Beard cream. Ooh. Too close. There we go. Beard cream. I like the unscented. Most things they stink. And the unscented, well, it doesn't stink. Beard butter, unscented. Does it really have no scent? Yeah, it's you can't smell it. It's unscented. Funny how that works. Beard oil, and beard oil. So there's the unscented, cool. Coconut, almond, and ginger, sounds good. Then we've got bourbon and sandalwood. I like sandalwood. I'm not big on stuff that stinks, but it smells good. Okay. And then how's the coconut, almond, and ginger? These are all really nice. Nothing really in your face, and of course unscented, but I'm gonna. Okay, I like it. They have hand-drawn batch numbers on them. This is like real serious stuff. I guess I gotta lie it down. There's the stuff, and the coffee. Well, just a shout out to Boondocks Beard Co. I mean, I love it, and I like that it says Boondocks Scratched Out Beard Co. replaced with coffee. Like that. That's really clever. It's really clever. I like it. I like the logo. We got beard logos. I dig it. I don't know where I'm looking at. I'm looking at the wrong camera. The camera's over there, but this is my mobile setup. It's the office. I don't do a lot of recording here. That's my excuse. But look at even logos on. Can you see the logo etched in there? I like it. So I can just, this is good. Oh, and I've started doing more trimming on my own. So which one do I put in now? I think I'm going to try the bourbon and sandalwood. Move the microphone out of the way. Then I'm going to get I have some oil on my hands. It's okay. I had some. This actually smells really nice. Is that enough oil? I think it's enough oil. I like it. I like it a lot. That's a nice scent. All right. We got stickers. We got stuff, and I really appreciate the gesture. This was all sent to me as a gift. I'm really moved. he sent me a nice note. He said, thank you so much. You gave me some information. You saved me some money on a ticket because it's stuff I didn't know. So this is just an example of, well, actually, it's the first time anyone's ever sent me a gift like this. I've received gifts, but I've never received anything from a company before. Really, really appreciative. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I'm sure I'll talk to you in the chat in the DM soon. That sticker's going onto my laptop right now. Boondocks Beard Co. Thank you so much for the kind gifts. I appreciate you. And I'm going to go make some coffee and see how you fare. Is it fair trade? Is that a thing? Do we care? I don't know. We're going to make some coffee. Thank you so much. We'll catch you later. Just one more thing. This was not a paid advertisement. I was not contractually obligated to say anything about this company. They reached out. They said, I appreciate you and I want to send you something. And I said, well, that's very kind of you. Go right ahead and do that. And when I got it, I said, I'm not opening it until I can open it on camera because I want to do an unboxing video. I've never actually done an unboxing video. And they said, we've never had anybody do an unboxing video. So I said, well, now someone's going to do an unboxing video and that's going to be me. And that's what happened. And that's how we got to where we are today, at least right now, posting this video. That's it. Thanks very much.